Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by powering down and removing power sources because stored charge can damage components. Once done, wear an ESD strap and work on a grounded surface. This prevents static shocks. Next, remove the main battery or disconnect the internal battery. Make sure to keep screws labeled. Use a small Phillips or T5 and a plastic pry tool to access the keyboard bezel. This first step exposes fasteners and clips you will release next. You continue by removing bezel pieces and hinge covers to reveal the keyboard screws, because Dell models hide fasteners under trim. Once screws are out, use a plastic spudger to gently pry the keyboard tabs. Work from the top edge toward the hinges to avoid bending. Make sure to lift slowly. The keyboard connects with a ribbon cable under the front lip. After freeing the board, flip it up just enough to access the ribbon latch for the next critical step. You finish by unlocking the ribbon ZIF connector. Flip the latch up and pull the cable straight out, because pulling at an angle can damage contacts. Once disconnected, fully remove the keyboard and inspect the frame and connector for debris. Clean with compressed air if needed. When reinstalling, reverse steps, seat ribbon squarely and tighten screws snugly but not overly tight. If keys don't work, make sure the cable is fully seated. Then try reseating or swapping a known good.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.